After! He's in the bushes!
Don't worry, kids. We're going to take good care of him.
And after, we'll find his mummy and daddy.
Simon, grab that box over there and the cotton next to it.
OK. And what do I do now?
Well, fill the box with cotton and make him a comfy little nest.
There. Like that?
Perfect. And now we put the little bird in it.
It seems like he really likes it.
Or else he's hungry.
Well, what does a bird eat?
I don't know. Bananas! Yeah, bananas! They eat bananas, I'm sure.
Huh? No, they don't. They drink milk. Milk is so good.
No, you're wrong. Bananas! Bananas are much better.